Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform our next experiment. Experiment is to measure the volume of a given irregular lamina using a screw gauge. We have already discussed about the screw gauge and how it works in our previous video. Apparatus required: screw gauge, irregular lamina and a graph paper. Main, that is your theory, and the formula which we can use here, that is volume is equal to thickness into area. Clear? So students, here apparatus, this is your screw gauge, irregular lamina, and this is a graph paper. So student, observations, that is how we can calculate the pitch and the least count, we have already discussed in our previous video. Clear? So here we start with to calculate the thickness of the given lamina. Now students, take a screw gauge and put your irregular lamina between it to find out the thickness. Move your circular scale. Now tight it, but without pressure, until the clicking sound is produced. So first of all, note down the main scale reading. So main scale reading, that is your 0. Main scale reading is 0, and then circular scale reading. So students, circular scale reading is your, this is your 0, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So coinciding, which is also called your coincider, that is the division on the circular scale which coincide with the main scale. Here we note the value of that point of the circular scale which coincide with this main scale. So this is, yes, that is your number 9 is there. Clear? So by this way we can take the 2 more readings. Now second step is to find the area. So first of all, put your irregular lamina on the graph paper, and draw its boundaries. Remove this irregular lamina. Now tick number of complete square enclosed. It means that the number of complete square, such that this type of this is your complete square, put the tick or it. Second is number of half square enclosed. So number of half closed means this type of your square, that is your half enclosed. So put a mark cross on this. Clear? And number 3, a dot, put a dot on the number of the quarter square enclosed. Clear? So that is this type, I think this type of your square, this type of the square. So when there, how many number of complete square are there? So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or yes, this is your almost complete. Yes, so that is your 7. So same way here we calculate, or here we count number of complete square, number of half square and number of quarter square. So students, here number of complete squares 7, number of half square, that is your 4, and number of quarter square, that is your 7. Students, this is the complete observation of your this experiment where we calculate thickness. Clear? And area of cross section by applying the formulas. Then next we have calculated the volume of the irregular lamina by putting the value of area as well as the thickness. So volume is equal to area multiplied by thickness. So our last result is, that is your 0.06975 centimeter cube. Thank you.